Most people have never considered drinking a tall glass of potato juice, but the impressive health benefits of this unusual vegetable juice may surprise you. Made from the starchy tuber of the Solanum tuberosum plant, potato juice has been used all over the world for centuries. Although bland and tasteless, potato juice has been praised for its healthy properties and benefits for a long time. No one likes to drink something that tastes horribly, but most of the things that taste awful are very beneficial for our health. According to studies, potato juice can treat numerous diseases and conditions including cancer, and can also help your organs recover from damage. Here are its main health benefits. Alkalizes the body. Potato juice can restore the alkalinity of your body and prevent numerous health problems. Reduces the levels of uric acid. The juice can reduce the levels of uric acid in the body and prevent inflammation, effectively fighting inflammatory conditions such as gout and arthritis. Digestion. The starch content of potato juice has been linked to a number of digestive issues and can help soothe inflammation in the gut and promote digestion. Eliminating symptoms of constipation, bloating, cramping, and indigestion. Consuming the juice regularly can reduce the pain in your joints and back while improving the circulation in your body. Cleans your skin. When used topically, potato juice can soothe irritation and inflammation in the skin and treat problems such as acne or eczema. Promotes weight loss. Drink a cup of potato juice before breakfast and another a few hours before going to bed to accelerate your metabolism and start losing weight. Cleans the liver. One of the main benefits of potato juice is that it can clean the liver. Potato juice is a powerful detoxifying agent that can clean the liver of toxins and improve its function, while also boosting the function of the gallbladder. Treats ulcers. If you're suffering from ulcers, take a tablespoon of potato juice diluted with water 30 minutes before your meals. How to make the potato juice. To prepare the potato juice, wash a few medium-sized potatoes and peel them, then remove all the green parts and offshoots. Next, mash the potatoes and strain them through a linen cloth to separate the juice. Pour it into a tall glass and drink the juice fresh. If the taste is too much for you, mix it with some carrot, apple, or lemon juice.